Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, a retro-style micro camper van that blends timeless vintage design with a modern high-end twist. If you love classic style mixed with futuristic comfort, you're in for a real treat. Just look at this beauty parked in the middle of a luxurious marble-floored lobby. Its two-tone cream and orange paint job instantly transports you back in time, with smooth, rounded edges and chrome details that make it feel like it just rolled out of the golden age of travel. But the magic doesn't stop at the exterior. The camper comes equipped with solar panels mounted on the roof, making it not only stylish but eco-friendly. This perfect combination of nostalgia and modern sustainability makes it stand out as more than just a showpiece. It's a lifestyle statement. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cozy, small-space interior designed for comfort and charm. White cushioned seating wraps around the corner, complemented by orange throw pillows that add a pop of color without overwhelming the space. Warm wooden cabinets line the walls, giving you plenty of storage while maintaining that retro character. The windows are dressed in white curtains with a subtle orange trim, letting soft light spill into the cabin. The layout is compact but clever. A foldable table gives you space to work or dine, and the entire setup feels open and welcoming. This is small space living at its finest, without sacrificing comfort or personality. It's amazing how every detail has been thought through. From the polished marble floor reflections of the exterior to the cozy glow of the interior, this camper feels more like a boutique retreat on wheels. If you're someone who dreams of traveling in style or even just loves the art of design, this retro camper van is a perfect inspiration. Whether parked in a luxury lobby or out on an open road, it captures the spirit of adventure and elegance all in one. When it comes to price, a custom-built retro micro camper van like this one can range anywhere between $28,000 to $45,000, depending on the level of interior detailing, solar setup, and custom features you choose. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this tour. Subscribe to the channel for more unique vehicle showcases and design inspirations. And don't forget to drop a comment below. Would you choose cream and orange for your dream camper? Or go with another color combination? Let's get the conversation going.